Hello good people, welcome again to another episode of jewelry making. Today we are going to be speaking about the basic materials you need to create your jewelry, and I'm also going to reveal where you can get these materials. Enjoy the video. This is a polyester jewelry coat that also comes in a brown color, and it's mainly used for stringing of beads, this beautiful necklace, and also finishing off your bracelets. In this example, you have it at the end and it helps you put it around your wrist. It locks it in like that. Finishing off pendants. So we have an adjustable cord so that if you want to wear it long or short, it makes it easier for you. We surely cannot speak about jewelry making materials without speaking about beads, because they are very important. So they come in different types. This is bone. They also come in wooden, plastic, stone, and also glass. They are used to make your necklace, and you want it all beaded like this, adding a few pieces to your pendants, your brooch pin, your earrings. It comes in a hardener and a resin, which are mixed both equally to help you finishing off your earring studs like this, pendant string right at the end, and also make these amazing magnets. So I'm currently working on this experiment where I'm using clothespins. So you'll mix an equal part of hardener and an equal part of the resin. So using your spatula, just mix it up. And also realize that it dries real fast. Like this one has a drying time of 4 minutes. In this case, I want to completely close my clothespins. So I'm going to apply it there. Then I'm going to set them aside so that they heal. Finishing it off right at the end, I need to put some glue right here so that it doesn't come off. And right there, and then I'll set it to heal. Buttons are one of the most exciting beads to use while making jewelry. I love them because they come in different shapes, colors, sizes, forms, different material, and I source my buttons from the second-hand clothes market in Gikomba, and from them I'm able to create beautiful magnets. I'm also able to finish off my bracelets right at the end, and also make beautiful necklaces. You can accessorize your key rings by adding beads, chain, some found objects, some piece of metal, and of course, some keys. If you're going to be making amazing jewelry, then definitely you'll need brass. Brass comes in different sizes, and you'll notice that the higher the number of the gauge, the smaller the size of the brass. So this is a 22 hard, this is a 13 hard, and this on the other hand is a 14 and 15 hard. However, this time we are only going to be focusing on the 22 hard, which is easily malleable, it doesn't rust, and when it ages gracefully into a beautiful patina. Another great material that you can use to create your jewelry are old magazines, which can be stripped into small parts and rolled into these amazing paper beads. Not only do you get this for free, but also you can use them to make earrings, you can have one in your pendant, or you can slice them up and make a beautiful necklace. Copper wire is the cheaper alternative to brass. It's malleable, comes in a great color, and it ages really nicely. So I mainly use two sizes. One of them is the 2.5 mm split, which comes in 7 wires, which are really easy to mold. And also the 1.5 mm single. You'll need a knife or a blade. Place your wire on your workstation, then you run it through like that. Then you can cut that part out. Then now you have your wire to use in your jewelry. Found objects are the most amazing materials to use when you're creating your jewelry. Like in this group here, you can see that I have all keys, I have a goat jawbone, and I have rumi cap tiles, I have a bottle top, pieces of rubber. You can create amazing pieces like this example here that I used a key, then a suitcase padlock, copper wire. Thank you so much guys for watching. Remember to find a full list of suppliers down below. And if you're a beginner, start by selecting 3 to 4 materials to use, then you increase as you grow. And if you're already making jewelry, I would like to know which is your favorite material that you use. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing for more great content. Until next time.